How to fix Mullvad VPN for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall Mullvad VPN for Mac. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall Mullvad VPN sudo log /library/launchdaemons/se.mullvad.daemon.plist. sudo rmrf/application/mullvad-vpn.app sudo rmrf/library/application support/mullvad-vpn sudo rmrf/library/launchdaemons/se.mullvad.daemon.plist. sudo rmrf/library/preferences/se.mullvad.daemon.plist. sudo rmrf/usr/local/mullvad-vpn sudo rmrf/usr/local/bin/mullvad-vpn sudo rmrf/var/log/mullvad-vpn.log. Echo Mullvad VPN has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_mullvad.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_mullvad.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. You will be prompted to enter your admin password. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, Mullvad VPN should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.